This is a brand new 2013 Nissan Armada. This SUV has a 5-speed automatic transmission, a 5.6-liter V8, and 4-wheel drive. Its top features include a navigation system, Bluetooth cell phone integration, a rear-view camera, keyless ignition, a sunroof, a premium audio system, commercial-free satellite radio, an air suspension, traction control and stability control systems, chrome wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: adjustable driver pedals, memory settings for the driver's seat's positions so you can recall your favorite position with the push of one button, cruise control, rear curtain airbags, rear seat child-proof door locks, dual power seats, air conditioning, a pass-through rear seat, an auto-dimming rear-view mirror, and the leather seats provide great support and create an overall luxurious feel. This automobile won't last long at this price. Call and arrange a test drive now.
Andy Mohr Avon Nissan is located at 8867 East Highway 36 in Avon. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits.